Hello, hello, hello. I am Terry B. Jones coming to you live on today with another marketing strategy. This is part 4, the actual last part of YouTube video marketing secrets. Okay. I am Terry B. Jones and I share marketing strategies to help entrepreneurs grow their brand, their reach, and revenue, as well as retirement strategies. Okay. And so on today, I'll be sharing the last part of this video YouTube marketing secrets. Okay. What we covered so far are the components of a great video, which you're to make it interesting. It should be directed towards a target audience. It should be informative and or entertaining. Okay. Leave the viewers wanting more. Okay. Leaves the viewers feeling a need to come visit your website. It has a great potential to be viral and comes across as professional. Okay. Because we are business owners and we're looking to get foot traffic. We're looking to get clients. And so we want to make sure that we have a professional looking video and we want it to go viral. Okay. And I'll be sharing with you in this video on tonight how your video can go viral. All right. Now, the second thing that we covered was creating a script for your slideshow. And so basically your video will need to be, the content for your video needs to be written out before you decide to make a video. Okay, it's very important so that you won't be stumbling across what you want to say. All right. And so that you can actually write that script out. Okay. And then you would take that script and you would put it into a PowerPoint presentation, or you use Google Slideshow, whatever it is, whatever software you have, that's what you would use to make that slideshow for your video. Okay. And then of course you can make your video on your smartphone once you create your content. All right. And because basically people are using their mobile devices more than ever. So you don't necessarily just have to create your video using a desktop or laptop. Okay. But you can actually create your video using Screencast-o on your desktop. And if you get the free version of it, it's only 15 minutes max that you can actually use. There's Jing. There's several free concepts that you can use. All right. And so you can create your video using one of those concepts. All right. Now that you have your script made, okay, you're getting ready to put that video on YouTube. But here are, again, your content needs to be written up front. So when you upload that video, you don't want to try to figure out, okay, what do I want to put in my video description? All right. So what you should have in that video description is your URL. Okay. Meaning your website, whether you want that person to go after they have looked at your video. What is your call to action? Okay. You want them to go to PayPal and make a purchase. You want them to go to your website to get more information. You want them to buy a ticket. You want them to go to your Facebook group and be a part of it. What is the URL for whatever you're sending them, which is your call to action? That's the first thing you want to have. All right. Then you want to include phrases that will lead the viewer to click on your link. All right. So if you have your business is on cleaning, okay, while we're going through this pandemic, you want to have phrases in line with that. Okay. And then as far as throughout your description, you want to make sure you have keywords in there. The keywords that people are going to be searching for when they go to Google, when they go to YouTube. If they want to say, how do I stay safe during this pandemic? You know, how do I make a mask? You know, And so just whatever those words are, you think that people will be doing a search on, that's what you will put, but you will need to do a keyword planner research on those words before you actually come up with the keywords to use. All right. And so that will all be a part of your video description. Then, of course, you should already have signed up a YouTube account. We already talked about that. You would just use your Gmail account that you already have to sign up for that account, to go ahead on and create that YouTube channel. All right. And then you go ahead on and upload that video. Now you can upload, once you create your channel, you can upload your video right there on your desktop, or you can upload that video from your phone or your iPad or whatever device that you have YouTube on. All right. Now, for today's last session, part 4, conclusion, however you want to look at it, we're going to be talking about promoting your video on additional social networking sites. Now that your video is on YouTube, we're getting ready to go viral. We're getting ready to take this thing to the next level. Okay. We're getting ready to get maximum exposure. All right. And so here it goes. When you upload your video and it's good to go, you will click up under that video in YouTube, share. And when you click on share, you're going to see these different concepts. You'll see Reddit, you'll see Blogger, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, autoresponder, meaning you can actually email it to people. And so, bam. Just look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different places that one video that you took the time to create to let people know, like, and trust you with your content. Let them know what it is you're selling, what service you provide. Okay. That video can be in all these places. How cool is that? That is viral content creation. Okay. Now, you can actually embed that same YouTube video on your website. If you have access, to your back office, your dashboard in your website, some people may be using Wix, or they may be using WordPress or whatever it is, and you're able to go and upload your video there and embed the HTML in there. If you have someone building your website, you can actually have them to do it. Okay. But bottom line, you want that video on your website. Okay. That's the 10th place. Okay. And lastly, you can embed it in your email campaign. Okay. I've been talking about having an autoresponder. Traffic Wave is what I use. There are several others out there. If you say, hey, you know what? I'm tired of you talking about getting an autoresponder. Okay, let me go ahead on and connect with you and let's make this thing happen. I do have a free 30 days where you can actually get set up with Traffic Wave. I'll help you to get set up and everything. Or if you want to use any of the others that's available, I can help you with those. But bottom line, you do need to get autoresponder. Okay. And you can embed your videos inside of your autoresponder. And that is a freebie. Remember, I talked about having an opt-in page, where you offer somebody something free to get their email address so that you can build, know, like, and trust, so that by the end of the value that you're sharing with them, they're like, oh my, let me go ahead on and buy this. Let me go ahead and book an appointment. Let me go ahead on and do what I need to do to connect with this person, because they know what I need and they have it. Okay. And so that's what you want to happen with your autoresponder, with an email campaign. Okay. Even broadcasting out emails, you can do that when holidays come around. You can collect birthdays and you can send out emails for their birthdays. Okay. You can send out a flash sale. You can send out just pretty much anything you want to communicate to those who is looking for the value that you have for them. And that's why they signed up. Okay. And so I'm Terry B. Jones, coming to you live on today with another marketing strategy. If you have any questions, if you need any help with anything, just go ahead on in the comments below. Just say help, okay? Or you can message me on my actual in that thread there. And what I want to happen, okay, for any of you guys that's looking at this video, I would like for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? It's Terry Jones, Terri Jones, okay? You just go to YouTube, click the subscribe button, like my videos, write a comment, share my video if you see something of value, because this particular video here, I'm going to be uploading as well. And oh, I did not mention, how cool is this? This video that I'm actually putting on Facebook right now, sharing with you live, okay? I can actually download this video and put it on YouTube as well, okay? And so video is a must. If you are not using video marketing in the 21st century, in 2020, you are missing out on the coins, on the money, okay? And so get those things in place. Just reach out to me and say, hey, look, I need to make some things happen, okay? And I need some videos, all right? And so I do know of the different softwares that you can use to, you know, get your videos created and all that kind of good stuff and make some nice thumbnails and all of those types of things, okay? And so that's what you want to do. Get those videos recorded, you know, write out your content, okay? And I do have the 15 days of content creation, video content creation ideas. I went over that, I believe last year or early this year, whatever. But anyway, if you want that, okay, just put in the comments below content, and I can get those videos to you so you can look at some of the different ideas. Because like, okay, I want to do videos, but I don't have a clue what I should put in my videos. Those videos will definitely help you determine, you know, what it is you need to put in there so that people will begin to know, like, and trust you. They'll know what your brand is. They'll know what your product is. They'll know what your service is. And they know that not only they'll know about it, but it's like they know that's what they need. Okay, so I'll tune in with you on next Wednesday. Enjoy the rest of your evening.